We've been hearing a lot about these frontier models, but NVIDIA's been cooking. NVIDIA launched Nemotron 3 Nano Omni model, and this is everything you need to know. Starting off with, what is the big deal about this model? This model is, well, a mixture of experts, meaning it does have different type of capabilities within this one model, and it kind of routes you to the best one. But it's all encapsulated within one model. But this model can do multiple things. It can understand visual, audio, and documents, meaning that with the visual, it is in two parts. It can understand images, taking images as input, understand it, and give you feedback. But it does videos as well. So you can pass it a video and it can tell you information about the video as well. But it doesn't just stop there. It can understand documents if you pass it documents, and I will be doing a little demo on this later on to show you exactly how powerful this is. And it does audio for you to understand different audio things that's happening, maybe voice speech presentations, and being able to analyze that. But like I said, this is a mixture of experts model, but it's still one entire model. Before, AI or past AIs would have different type of AI models that would route on the back end. You could think of it as you would talk to one, I guess, AI, but it would be actually 3 or 4 AIs on the back end, where you have one for document generations, one for video translations, and that caused an issue where one AI's output may not really be complete understanding or context that the other AI may need, and it can create very big complexities when it comes to passing this information along to one AI to another. Let's say you had a video one that understood images in the video but didn't understand the audio that was in the same video, so that audio would have to be then separated out from the video, sent to the video model, and then the audio sent to the audio model. That would then have to be interpreted and then passed to the one that understands text or LLMs, right? That's a lot of steps. This one is a one-stop shop. It kind of does the same thing, but instead of it being 4 or 5 different models, it's one different model. And that one model is, well, Nemotron 3 Nano. And this one is at its core a text-based model. So basically, when it's listening to audio, looking at an image or a video, it's translating all that back into text and then understanding that from a text perspective. But all of this is in one model, so it's better having context from one thing to another, and giving it better capabilities. And they say that this is good for computer use agents, document intelligence, like interpreting charts and tables, as well as audio and video understanding for customer service, research, and monitoring workflows. Maybe this would be a good lightweight model to maybe have on a device or something like that. Like maybe like a security camera where you already see different types of objects passing by. Maybe the AI can be lightweight enough to actually detect something and understand it using AI. And it's the nano model, so it's lightweight enough to, well, be even held on your local server. And that's where we're going to actually test it out here. This is Hugging Face, and Hugging Face already has a working demo of it where you can actually come in here and look at Nemotron 3 Nano Omni for yourself. And I was running it through the paces. One thing I did was upload a video of a samurai unsheathing a katana. I put the video in there and I told them to tell me about the item that or weapon that's being used in this video, and it told me that it was a katana. Right, so that's information that it had off rip without me even connecting to the internet or doing any research. That's just stored within the AI model itself. And then I asked for it to tell me more about that item, because it just went briefly to say, hey, there's a katana when I first fed it the video. Then it went to way more details about what a katana is and everything, which I did not think was too bad to say that this is a nano, very small model. I also fed Nemotron 3 Nano a thumbnail of me when I was really talking about DeepSeek V4 Pro, and I asked it, what do you think about this thumbnail? Basically, it glazed me because, of course, my content is fire, and if you're this far along, you must know that too, and you should definitely like and subscribe, especially if you want to see more AI news. But getting back to it, it's understood the image and gave feedback and improvements in order to, well, improve the image. It says consistency bar and silent DeepSeek bar is a different shade, teal, and it has crown while the others are gray. Unifying the visual style, same color palette, and similar bar shapes would make the comparison feel more balanced. And I do agree with that as far as if I wanted to be more balanced, but it's a freaking thumbnail and I wanted DeepSeek to stand out. So even though that's not good advice for what I'm trying to do. I also talked about spacing and the labeling of the AI models, which I don't think was bad feedback. But then I asked it to do something really cool, and I guess it made an ASCII dragon. I can't really tell it was a dragon, but one of the cool things about sometimes these smaller models that come out randomly by NVIDIA and some other models is that it's not always being pushed to be very, well, restrictive. So I tried to see how unrestricted I could actually get it to be. I asked it how to make a girl, well, let's just say something naughty, right? And it literally said, I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that. But then I asked it to build bigger muscles and it was able to answer that. But then I asked it how to improve my razzle dazzle bedroom life, and it actually answered that question. I think a lot of other models wouldn't actually go into detail about this. They'll be like, consult your doctor, or this is too much to talk about. And if models do say that, I asked it how to eat, well, cat, right? And it actually answered that as well too. I don't think a lot of models would actually answer that question. Matter of fact, let's see if ChatGPT will answer it. Well, actually, I stand corrected. ChatGPT literally is telling me how to eat cat, which is crazy. But overall, this is a small, lightweight weight model, open weights, so people can come and play around with it themselves. And it's literally lightweight enough to be hosted on Hugging Face. So if you want your own private model that you can just host in the cloud and just do whatever you want with it, maybe NVIDIA Nemotron is the AI for you. But if you want to keep up to date with the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. Please tell me what you think about NVIDIA Nemotron down in the comment section down below. That being said, your boy Dex, not Dexter, out.